Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Malka and today I'm going to share with you my best kept secrets to have the most delicious, moist meatballs as well as the most decadent mashed potatoes. And if you like this kind of content all about simplifying the Jewish life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. You're going to take some ground beef. You're going to add a mixture of spices as well as some garlic and onions. You're going to drizzle it with some olive oil as well as some water. It's very important to mix it. Once that it's mixed, you are going to create a well in the middle of the meat and you're going to add about 3 to 4 egg yolks. The egg yolks are there to act as a binding agent to make sure that the meatballs stay nice and firm throughout the cooking process. Don't forget to wet your hands with oil or water to form the meatballs. Once that the meatballs are formed, you are going to immerse them in seasoned water. It's important for the water to be boiling heavily for the cooking to take place and for the meatballs not to fall apart. After 18 minutes, you're going to remove the meatballs from the boiling water. You will let the cooking water continue boiling until it thickens. Once that it thickens, you can cover your meatballs with this scrumptious sauce. To reheat them, simply put them in a skillet with a bit of onions and enjoy these amazing meatballs. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite way to enjoy your meatballs? For me, definitely with mashed potatoes. So let's jump into the mashed potato recipe. For the mashed potatoes, you will need 1 kilogram of potatoes. You will then cube them and place them in your Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot, no problem, just put it in a regular pot. The time of cooking will be a bit different. In your pot, put about 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt in the water to flavor the potatoes. If you have an Instant Pot, put it for 4 minutes. Once that they are cooked, place them on a paper towel to take out the excess water and then transfer them on a baking sheet. And here is where the magic will happen. The secret for the tastier, most decadent mashed potato is to put them in the oven before you mash the potatoes. By doing that, you will dehydrate them slightly so they will be thirsty for the flavor and texture of the butter and milk. Once the potatoes are slightly baked, put them in your pot and mash them. Once they are mashed, add the butter. Continue mashing until it is smooth and the color will change to a richer, creamy tone. Add your milk, a small amount at a time. I will use plant-based milk as I will eat this with our fabulous meatballs. Continue mashing and adding milk until you reach your desired consistency. Enjoy these fabulously moist and decadent meatballs with the most creamy and fluffy mashed potatoes. La brioute! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content all about simplifying the Jewish life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to from it up.
Let's see those back to school outfits.
Oh, you look amazing!
Have a great day. We love you.
All right, have a good day.
See you later.